Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, we are going to learn how to use Social Blade for your YouTube. Basically, I'm going to explain you how you can do some competitor analysis, or you can do some your own channels analysis, that what are your weak areas and how you can improve your channel's stats or data, right? So Social Blade is a free platform, free tool where you can analyze YouTube platforms, or basically YouTube accounts, different YouTube channels. Even you can analyze different platforms like Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, and there are many other social media too platforms which can be analyzed through Social Blade, right? So directly jump into the Social Blade platform and learn how to analyze competitors' channel, even how we can analyze our channel and find out the weak areas of our channel, right? So let's directly jump into the video. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in Google, and here I'll be writing Social Blade. Right, once you search Social Blade, this is the basically this is the search result you will be getting. Just click on this, and this is how this platform looks like. Right now, the thing is, if you want to analyze only YouTube channels, then you don't need to sign up. But if you want to analyze any other platforms, like you want to analyze any Facebook account, Insta account, TikTok, or any other, for that you need to register here, and the registration is totally free, although they have some premium membership where you get some extra benefits, but still you can create a free account as well, right? And you can log in every time whenever you want to examine or analyze accounts from these platforms, right? But for YouTube, you don't need to sign up. You just need to search here whatever the channel you want to analyze. Let's say I want to analyze our main channel, which is marketing fundas, right? I've written the wrong spelling over here. This is the channel. Let me search here, and if I find it, yeah, this is the channel, marketing fundas, right? Here we do have around 4 lakh or 418,000 subscribers, and these are the video views and uploads, right? If I click on this, I'll be able to see all the data related to this channel. Even we get the banner as well, the channel banner, right? So this is how this examination tool looks like. Here you'll be able to see the name of that channel, logo, the username, right? And then here the uploads, how many videos they have uploaded. It is around 2000, more than 2000 videos. Subscriber base is here around 418,000, and the video views are around 26 million, right? The country which is showing is India. The country code is showing over here. Channel type education, and the user created, basically this is the date when the channel has been created, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down in the user summary option, this is the user summary option, right? So in user summary option, you will be able to see a grade which Social Blade has given to this channel, and this is B. Why it is B? Because this is not that much popular. We do have only 418,000 subscribers, but if we get more number of subscribers, good amount of engagement, the channel grade will also increase to B plus, then A and A plus, like that, right? Right now we do have B grade. Then the rank on Social Blade, which is around 249,000. Then the subscriber rank is around 1861. Then the video view rank is here. Then the country rank in India, our channel ranked at around 1500. Right, then in education sector or education category, it is around 1100. Now here you will be able to see subscriber for the last 30 days. Basically we got around 15k subscribers in last 30 days. Then this is the estimated revenue, right? Estimated revenue on a monthly basis and the yearly basis. And make sure one thing, that these amounts which is this Social Blade tool is showing is not exactly correct, right? It is close to the amount but not the exact amount. So don't get influenced by these amounts. This is just a figure, close figure, but not the exact amount, right? Now here you will be able to see video views for last 30 days, how many views we got in last 30 days. So it is around 1 million views, right? 1.1 million views. Then if I scroll a little bit down over here, I'll be able to see daily basis, that how much subscriber we are getting on a daily basis, how many views we are getting on a daily basis, right? And the how much earning, estimated earning we are getting on a daily basis, as you can see over here, right? I hope you got the point. And same thing can be done to your competitors as well. You just need to search your competitors channel over here. You can search the username or you can enter the URL as well, and you'll be able to analyze that how they are doing, how much subscribers or how much views they are getting on a daily basis, and this will give you a good idea that how they are doing and how much or how much hard work you have to do in order to get that level, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down over here, you'll be able to see daily average, weekly average, and in last 30 days. So daily average is around 500 subscribers, 38,000 views, right? And then the weekly average is 3.5k subscribers and around 268,000 views. This is the weekly average. Then in last 30 days, you'll be able to see this. If I scroll a little bit down here, you will be able to see the bar chart. Basically, this shows the video views and this shows the subscriber base, and you'll be able to see some peaks as well, right? Sometimes this happens and you will be able to see these type of peaks in every channel, right? So you just need to continue your good work and definitely you will see some these kind of peaks, right, or spikes. Now this was all about user summary. If I go to future projections, so future projection is basically Social Blade is trying to project your future growth, right, on the basis of previous data. So this is not the exact growth, but it is projecting, or it is just predicting your future growth on the basis of your previous data, right? But obviously every time exceptions are there. If you continue to create your good content, then definitely you will see some spikes and the growth can be more than the expected one, right? Basically you will bypass the predicted growth, right? Or if you stop, or if you are not able to maintain your consistency, then definitely your growth will be lower than the predicted growth, right? As you can see here, so it is showing that in 2 months we'll be into 462,000 subscribers, and in 1 year around we'll be into 944,000 subscribers. And let's see, after 5 years we'll have around 6.3 million subscribers, right? So this is the future projection based on our previous data. And you can see some subscriber milestones as well. These are the subscriber milestone and then the view milestone. So subscriber milestone, it is showing that it will take around 104 days to reach 500k subscribers, then 200 days to reach 600k subscribers, and around 456 days, more than a year, to reach 1 million subscribers, right? And then it is goes like that, right? 1760 days to reach 6 million subscribers. And if I scroll a little bit down, you will see the chart which will show you that how you can do in future, right? So this was all about future projections. Then detailed statistics. If I click on detailed statistics, you'll be able to see this data which I've already shown you, but in a more detailed view, right? Every day, how much you are getting, how many subscribers you are getting, how many views, and the earnings you are getting, right? So this is the thing in detailed statistics. Then featured box. So in featured box, you'll be able to see some featured channel which has data like you or your channel. It is not getting loaded properly. It is showing it doesn't look like you returned. Okay, let me refresh it. I think featured box feature is not working properly right now, but this is the thing. according to me, this feature is not that much important because it shows channels from different categories, right? So it is not that much important, and there's no any value addition to see these featured box channels, because this shows channel which have the same data, same subscriber gain frequency and view gain frequency like you, right? So you don't need to check out channels who are from different categories except the education, right? So I don't think featured box is not that much valuable thing, so you can leave this thing. Now if we go to similar channels, yes, this one is a bit important thing, or you can say it shows you channels who are similar to you, but still they also show you the channel from different categories, as you can see. So not that much important, as I told you about the featured box, same as similar channels. So these are from people, entertainment, tech, games, news, education, so not that much important, right? If it shows similar channels from only education category, then it could be useful. Otherwise this is not that much useful. And you can sort by subscribers, you can sort by video views, and sort by social blade rank or SB score, right? Now after this, user videos. If I click on user videos, here you will get some good amount of data over here. You can do the same thing with your competitors as well. So these are the 50 latest videos in this channel which we are examining, which is marketing fundas. So here you can see the channel video names and views, ratings, how much rating they are getting, then comments, and then the earnings, how much money they are earning, right? These videos. Then you can go with the most 50 most viewed videos. So, so this thing can be done with your competitor as well. You can find out the 50 most viewed videos on your competitor's channel, and you can create same videos. Basically you can create videos on the same topic with good amount of value, which means more amount of value than your competitor, right? So there's a high chance of getting views on those topics because your competitor also got views on that particular topics, right? So these are the videos which are most viewed videos in this channel, which got around 612 views, then 30390 views. And this is not the exact data, but still this data is much more valuable, because see, it is showing that this one is the most viewed video in this particular channel, which has around 612, which is 612k views. But if I go to the channel which is marketing fundas, let me open the channel. Right, I have opened the channel over here, I've clicked on it, and here if I click on videos, and if I click on popular, you will be able to see that we have many videos, not many, at least 2 videos which crossed a 1 million mark. As you can see, 1.4 million views, 1 million views, then 774,000 views, then 612 views. So the social blade is showing videos from here, right? 612, then 533, then 390. You'll be able to see like this, right? As you can see, 612, 533 is not here, then 390 is here. So social blade is leaving some videos over here, but still this data is valuable. And as I already told you, the data is not 100% exact, but you are getting the data and good amount of data, right? Then we do have this 50 highest rated videos, then 50 most relevant videos, right? I hope you got the point how you can analyze your competitor's channel using social blade, right? Then we do have live subscriber count. This is just a show off kind of thing where you can get this dashboard kind of thing, and here you will be able to see the live subscriber count. Right, now let me go back, and then the achievements option is also there. In achievements option, you'll be able to see how some achievements which you need, which you are in progress and which you have completed. So in progress we do have Fantastic 5. Fantastic 5, it is like if your channel is 5 years old, then you will get the Fantastic 5 achievement, but it is only 4 years. Then Uploader Wizard Supreme. So if we reach the 2500 video uploads mark, then we'll get this achievement, right? Uploader Wizard Supreme. Then Social Butterfly is have 3 acceptable social platforms linked to your channel. So we have uh, accepted only 2, that's why. Then Videocon Personality. Then we do have video YouTube Wizard, and tons of other things are there. And these are the completed achievements, like Build an Audience. Build an audience is like if you have reached 250k subscribers, which means you build an audience. Getting a bit of traction, which is 25k subscribers. New kid on the block, 1k subscribers. Then you have you do what for a living, 10 million views, right? Then tons of other achievements are there. I hope you got the point, and I hope you understood how you can analyze your competitor's channel. Even you can analyze your channel as well, and you can see that how much hard work you need to do in order to get these achievements, right? So you'll see good amount of idea about your competitors as well as your channels. Right now you can go to Social Blade and check out your channel as well and examine your competitors channel. Now I've already told you about the premium membership, and you can go with other platforms as well, but for that you need to register over here. So registration is pretty simple. You just need to enter the email, display name, password, and just hit the register button, nothing else. And whenever you want to log in, just hit this login button, enter your email ID and password, and boom, you will be able to analyze other platforms for free. If you want some extra premium features, you can go with these bronze, silver, gold offers. You can go with monthly and yearly options. So everything is here. So I hope you got the point, and this video was valuable for you. Let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.